This, where the SLAF comes into play, it operates heavily modernized third-generation fighters like Chengdu F-7GS, Kafir C-2, and MiG-27 with 2024 operating standards, and Kafir C-10 with 4.5th generation and the modernization program, which will bring the Sri Lankan skies to the former glory. The winged demons that have Sri Lanka's superior range, speed, and combat capabilities, casting at the very forefront in the air superiority in the region that protect not only Sri Lanka's interest, but also Maldives.